Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, have you ever searched for your career, which is a high paying job available? If not, let's have a look at that together. Let's search that. Okay, so in this list, in the top, you might have noticed data scientist. Actually, what is this data scientist and what is this data science field? So let's have a brief look at that. So data science field is actually a hottest career opportunity available because it's having a great turnover in future. So it is very important that all the graduates, all the freshers should know about the immense opportunity, the millions of opportunities available in data science field, and you should start your career with that. So first thing that I would like to remind you, this is not only for technical background students, but also for the non-technical background students. So all the thing that you need here is, if you have the will to get into this data science field, then you have the opportunities here. You need to get the right mentoring and you can start with it. Okay, so this is only the two things that you require to get data science field. So let's see what is this data science and what are the requirements for data science and how you can get into data science. So all these three parts we'll discuss in this video. So first, let's have a look at what is actually data scientist or data science. So here you can see the data scientist CTC that is available is around 7.86, that is nearing to 8 LPS. And right away, you can see here too, senior software engineers is having similar kind of salary. It's almost similar. So this is actually the worth of data scientist. The starting salary of a data scientist is around 7 LPS. And if you belong to the non-technical background too, you can make use of this opportunity. Okay, and the major of the students who have got placed in data scientist or data science related fields is getting CTC around 12, 14, 17 LPS. Okay, so as you are good at the skills, then that many CTC that you can get it. Okay, so what is actually data science? If you want to get into data science, what you need to have it within yourself as a skill. So this is all about it. So if you are good at mathematics, statistics, programming, analytics, computer science, and problem solving, done with it, you can definitely get into data science. And once more reminding you, if you're a non-technical background student and if you're ready to get some experience or some knowledge in these fields, then you too can make use of this opportunity. So by 2026, the industry is expected to generate 11.5 million jobs across the globe. So this is why data science is now a popular and a promising career choice. So till date, data science had only exponential growth. Every application that is running today and every functions that's happening around the world is having a hand in data science. Okay, so as a simple example, to make you much more clear, I can cite like, if you have carted something, some gadgets or something in the online shopping websites, and if you switch to any other websites or any other social medias or whatever, if you open, in the advertisement section, you might have noticed that similar product that you have carted will be popping up. So there is some science that happening. They are understanding our interest, watching our behavior or watching our operations or activity, and they are promoting us, or they are promoting those things or those products to us. So some science is happening there. And one more thing that you might have noticed when you open social media websites, under the suggested profiles, okay, the profiles that comes up for the suggestions, those profiles will be some way related to us, either by locality, either by friends of friends, or the industry that you are in, or the school or the college that you are in. So there is some science playing up here with the data to put it at the right way. So these are the simple examples that we can witness every day, but there are a lot more. In the education sector, medical sector, in the cybersecurity level, defense level, and every sector, data science is growing day by day. It's not at the basis of yearly, it's growing day by day. So the opportunities available are actually immense, millions of job opportunities available. And the worth that you are having in the career-wise as well as your income-wise is actually huge. So if you have a strong aptitude at coding and programming, then you can get into machine learning engineer or data engineer. And if you're good at mathematics, statistics, and programming, then you can become a junior data scientist or data modeler. And if you're from a non-technical background, then you can earn the good, or you can earn the experience, or you can get the skills developed and get into data analyst or data visualizer. Okay, so the starting salary is around 6 lakhs to 20 lakhs LPAs according to the skills that you are having and according to the companies that you get in, the placement assistance or placement support that you get in, it will be different. Okay, so now coming to the eligibility criteria once again, if you have a degree in computer science, engineering, mathematics, or statistics, that is certainly good. It's a very good then that you have a backup. But if you are from non-technical background like arts, commerce, or finance, whatever, still you can get the in-demand skill and get into the sector. Okay, so it is not only for one particular graduates alone, it's applicable for any person who wishing to get into the sector is okay for them. So I just a bit ago mentioned something like you need to get the right placement support to get into the right sector and to get the highest income or the high paying openings available. So for all these things, to know about what is data science and what are the topics that you need to cover and what is happening in the industry, you need to get the right mentoring. That's very, very, very important. Along with the interest that you are having to get into data science, the similar importance is there for the mentoring. So the two things that is very important to get into data science is the willingness to get into the sector and the right mentoring that you are getting. So here you might have noticed about the Ording School. They are the data science school actually. If you have heard about it, well and good, you just try make use of the opportunities with all the knowledge that you have. And if it is very new to you, I can introduce you to that. So they are the data science school actually. They provide data science bootcamp. Okay, so what is this bootcamp actually? So bootcamp is nothing but they are providing an exposure to the real world projects and hands-on experience when you start your career. Okay, for this data science, they're providing every sort of practical knowledge for you to get into this industry. So that is very much relevant in that. Okay, so getting the hands-on experience, if you have that, then nothing can make you step back. You are already into this career opportunity. Okay, so how you can apply to that, what is their initiative, what is a boot camp, everything, let's discuss that in detail. So the last day to apply is on 19th of December and the upcoming cohort is from 25th of December. So it's actually a 6 months intensive training program. So in the 6 months, you will be having 500 plus hours of learning and live weekend classes too. Then the project, it is a project-based learning, that is you will be getting introduced to some real world projects. The projects like, you can see it in here, the projects like HR analytics project, movie rental database, emotional recognition, and inventory analysis. So if you just got to know this, then you might have noticed these projects are a part of the huge projects that is happening around worldwide. Every company and every progress, everything is happening revolving around these projects. So getting hands-on experience on this is a great breakthrough for you. So, and the other things they provide is a placement assistance. Yes, friends, they do provide the placement assistance also. And the placement assistance that they're providing is in the well-versed companies in the world, the topmost companies in the world. You can see these are the topmost companies ruling this world right now. So you are getting opportunity to get or to work or to collaborate with these companies. So it's actually a huge opportunity to go. So for this, you need to take care of few steps, only few steps. That is, first you need to apply to this. You can click on this apply now button and continue with the application process. After that, an admission counselor will contact you. There you can share all your concerns regarding the data science job and everything. You can get all your doubts clear regarding this. And after that, you need to proceed by completing the fee transaction. So when coming to the fee, I would say this is just, the fee is very minimal when compared to the income that you're getting. It is less than 10% of your income. Okay, once you get through this course, it is less than 10% of the income that you receive post this course. So the program fee is 15,000. So in this session, they'll have the scholarships and they can provide you EMAs according to the performance or according to the things that you share with them. So everything you can share with the admission counselor and get a hold of that. And to this, you actually no need to pay 50,000. Actually, you will have 10% of discount to that. You can mention our name, that is Online Study for You. You are from Online Study for You. So you'll get 10% discount on this program fee. That's actually great. That's the only thing that we can provide from you. And if you have any doubts or clarifications, we'll also help you to get clarified regarding the same. And one bright part here is it's refundable. That is, if you are discontinued within 2 weeks, then the full money back guarantee will be there. That is, you don't need to provide any answers for them. They will not question like why you are backing off, why you are quitting this. They will not question you if it is within 2 weeks. Okay, so you will get full money back too. So most of the students who have enrolled to this have not today, they have not money back. I mean, they haven't stepped out because the opportunities or the learning things or the career that they got is immensely huge. So few of them we know actually. We have a Rohit who have got placed for 17 LPAs, and we have a Ragini who have got placed for 6 LPAs under this, and we have Vasha Sharma who have got placed for 14 LPAs under this. So the CTC, if you're from a fresher or if you're from experienced background too, you can, if you don't have any idea about data science field, you can get the learning, you can get the courses done, you can complete this and get on to this. Okay, so it's concentrated upon the weekends, and they'll provide a complete outlook, like toe to hand outlook on data science, and this opportunity is very important. Okay, so I would recommend you the growth that you get normally getting through a normal sector everywhere around, opportunities around, the outlook that you're getting for the 10 years you will get in this through 3-4 years, and the career growth that you are having is about to have a great turnover. Okay, so friends, I would highly recommend you to spare just less than 10% of the income that you are going to receive from the course or get the placement assistance from this. Okay, just below 10% only required for the program fee. Then you have a bright career for that. Okay, so just make it. The last day to apply that is 19th of December, and after 26th of December, they will raise the course price to 60,000. So before that, make sure that you apply to the same. We can provide you 10% extra discount with that. So please to mention when the academic counselor call you, you can mention our name as well. Okay, so this is about this opportunity available. So if you are very confident or if you're very interested in this, please make use of this opportunity. And whoever who have a okay mind or intermediate mind, please to search about the data science field and the immense opportunities available. You have a great source here. You have a great platform there. Okay, as I always used to mention, opportunities never knocks at door twice. So that's it. That's about it. And if you want to take this, you can take the link from the description and you can apply to the same. So I would highly recommend you to apply to this, or at least have a look at this website and have a look at the students' testimonials, everything, and just know about this at least. Okay, so that's all guys for today. So if you have any further doubts, please to mention up in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.